Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone had a wonderful day. Well, I'm live somewhere in the MOJO room. Hope everyone had a wonderful day. Wonderful day today. We did in the MOJO room this morning. I was live on the pre-market showing you what was going to happen. We didn't know and print nothing because nothing happened yet. But dudes, in 30 minutes, nailed out some awesome profits, man. Awesome profit. And you see by the topic of today's show, which is the Heinz trade play, the Mojo's top secret sauce. This is my top secret magicious. Do you know the trade play? Mojo Pro Traders do. You're going to see how it works every single time. Every single time. Boom. Right now we're heading for one at 191 by 192. Will it Heinz? It already Heinzed once, but will it go 192? Will it go 5, 7 into $2? We shall see by the end of the show. Mojo's predicting yes. So we shall see. Mic test. How's the mic coming in? Is it coming in too low? How about this? Put it up to around 56. That'll work. Yeah, that'll work. A little bit better. Mike's good. Yeah, because screen share is not live right now. I disabled it for the MOJO Day Trading show, so you can come watch me on YouTube if you can't get the screen share. Because the screen share is disabled right now. Because it adds a lot of flicker onto my screen. What I'm doing is I'm running one platform here, the one you're seeing here in the middle. I'm running 6 streams on this top monitor. On the right monitor over here, I'm running the MOJO Day Trade Room. The monitor over there, I'm running another scanning platform. So a lot of different scanning things are going on in the thing. So that's why I'm not live on the screen share for all you new members that might want to know what the hell's going on, why I may not be live. So let me show you what went on in the MOJO Day Trade Room this morning, and let's count the number of Heinz trades, shall we? So it's 10 o'clock in the morning. We started right at 9:30 a.m. sharp. As soon as the bell rang, 9:30. First trade is a Heinz of NVAX at 14 and a little Heinz of Roku because I gave out a signal on Roku that we were going to do a Heinz. Let me start a little early here. My first trade here this morning where I said we're going to rock it today at 8:30. Yeah, we got to start early. Carnival Cruise, all the cruise lines did great today. Right here we go. So we got the Roku as the magnet right here. This was the main trade of the day. Main trade. Show you what the Heinz is. H-E-I-N-Z. Search ain't working. that's weird. Where it is though, so I can get it. All right, here's the Heinz. Heinz. First one. Is this? So this is the Heinz trade play, guys. My number one bread and butter secret. My sauce. What I got my whole career developed on. My business. Everything else is just for fun. What is the Heinz trade play? I call it my magic number trade play. Right there, my magic number. It's simple. When a stock approaches 60 cents, there's a dollar bar, 1 to a 2, or whatever, 0 to a 1. I guess that's the everything starts out at 0, 0. It goes up to the next dollar. $1 to $2, 4 to 5, 115 to 116, 490 to 491. Everything trades within like the dollar range. If it goes above your dollar mark, that once you're in, wow, you're up $1. If it goes down, you're down $1. That's how it works. As the stock approaches that 0, 0 number, so it goes from $1 through to the next dollar, through to the next dollar. Like Tesla just went up 7 of these dollar ladder rungs. So if you caught it right there, as it approached this ladder of that even number, it flew right through. Within that dollar ladder, this 90-cent range is just 90% chance the stock is going to work. At 99 cents, there's a 99% chance the stock is going to work. Those are some pretty good odds. Versus if you buy it down here at 30 cents, there's a 30% chance it's going to move up to the next bar. That's the Heinz trade play. If that makes sense to you, then you'll be like, I'd like to learn more about that. What is some more about that? It doesn't matter what the number is. 4, 7, 33, 8, 15, 28, 55, 700. The bigger the numbers, 100, 500, 600, these big even numbers, oh, the stocks go through big. That's the Heinz trade play right there. You got an example of it right here. This is the secret right here. Secret number 1. The Heinz trade play is how you ethically steal $1,000 in real money profits in the market in less than 60 minutes a day. And I'm going to show you that right now. This was done in 2017, 3 years ago. We hit a challenge of 10,000 Heinz trades. After hitting an incredible 5,000 in a row, I'm out to prove to the world that the next 5,000 trades will hit consecutively without losing. I call it the Heinz challenge. From 5,000 to 10,000 in a row. The time frame is 2 years. It happened from 2017 to 2018 it finished. Now it's 2020. We've done 12,000 Heinz trades in a row. I did a show on Benzinga years ago. I just talked to them yesterday. They said, what's so different? I said, dude, I did this trade play. It was on your show years ago. We did this thing called the Heinz. I told you about it since then. Really haven't lost on it. Really haven't lost on it, man. And that's what the Heinz trade play is right there. See? You're buying 90 to 95, buying number 2, adding up there into that Heinz, and then selling in your sequences. It's like a bottle of ketchup. You feel the anticipation, right? Like on the stock, 191, 192, it's not really moving. It's like anticipation is making me wait. You know, like that song, right? Right here on my Twitter. Right here, I just posted it. This is like the famous video. Where is it? Right here. It's all about this, like this. I don't want to. Let me mute it right here. This is the Heinz. The usual, man. Throw me to Heinz, baby. Heinz ketchup. They don't like when I play. They ban my videos when I do that. But yeah, you get the idea. I flashed the Heinz. I may have to trim that segment out. It will only be 3 seconds. Big deal. I get any more followers? 53.7 thousand followers now. Thank you, folks. And I'm not following 75,000 people to get them. So there we go. What else we got going on? Oh, we got so much action on YouTube there. Look at that. Pro Trader Mike says, what's the Heinz trade play learning on today's show? I just showed you right there. And then Mojo says, there it is again. But man, I ain't got nobody talking. It must be so interesting. Let's see how many times I did the Heinz today on YouTube. Heinzing 2 right now on AYTU. I called it out before it even happened right now. Here's what we made in profits today. Right here. Check it out. Look at the demos following me right here on Roku. This demo on 200 shares in the demo using firm capital is up 2 points and $410 just on that trade. That's how it works, guys. It's sick. Look, NVAX through Heinz 15. See? AYTU through Heinz 2. Show me the money. Beautiful trading, dude. Only in the Mojo room. Only in the Mojo room. Ooh, look at the Bobarini. My Boba. Boba Schnare. I can't watch that enough. All right, that's enough on the Twitter. 192 now on that stock still. So we nailed Roku right on the open, guys. It's going to go 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and then 100. Just like that today, like a magnet. That's a good trade. So let's see what happened with that trade right there. Did it do that? Let's see. Roku right here. Here's the chart on Roku. We'll move these demos down. So here's the chart on Roku for today. Roku right here at the open. It came down here to a 92. Right on the open. This is where we scaled in. And it made a move up higher. This one bar right here is 96.75. So now we're in the position. See it? Right here. See what it does. It goes up here. It makes a bar up here. This bar right here is 98. Shoots up again to this top bar right here is 102. So it did exactly what I said it was going to do. That's the first trade. So that's from 95 to 102. You made 5 solid points on that. 5 solid points. JDST, we're going to trade through $3 Heinz. $3 Heinz. See it? 291. Heinzing for 3, going through the even number. It's going to staggle around. Okay. Oh, this one dropped off the 275. Then it goes 280. Watch. 280. This one is NVAX. Heinz 14. So we're going to play it. Adding here at 90 and then higher in anticipation of going through 14, 1398. And then we're going to trade Hertz through 8. So we got Roku 95, 96, 97 into 100 plus. We have NVAX, NVAX for Heinz 14. That's a 1398. And Hertz, HTZ for a Heinz 8. This one's 790, and this one is 1390, and this one is 9490. Okay, so we're in. We're in. Okay, we're in. NVAX sold part 1. Then it went 14, 24, 44 into 53, half left. So NVAX right here had, let's say you just had 1,000 NVAX right there at 14. You sold 1,000 NVAX at 14.40 average so far for half. That right there, whoop, excuse me, is 40 cents, and you sold 500 out of the 1,000. So 1,000 shares would be a 400. You've made $200 in book profit so far, and you have 500 shares left. Okay. 1453. Then AYTU goes. See, AYTU selling part 2 here. NVAX 1474. 2,000 shares left. I had 10,000 shares. So I give you an example on the on 10,000. So this was my 2,000 profit. So here was the trade that I did. I called it. You could do 1,000 shares, 10,000, or whatever you wanted. I did 10. I sold 5. I made $2,000. I had 2,000 left. So here I sold. I had 5,000. I sold 3,000. I have 2,000 left. And I have 1474. So that's another 25 cents on another 3,000 shares is another $750. So I've booked the 2,000. I booked the 750, and I got 2,000 shares left from the 10,000. And I'm on the microphone telling you, HTZ Heinz $8, and we should be done for the day after that. So 1490 on NVAX, Heinz 15, 1,000 shares left going through, boom, done for the day. So right off that, those trades, David made $787. Damien made 100. It's 5 minutes into the open. If you feel you can do this, I'm telling you exactly how to buy. You're on your button. It's just like I'm at your house pressing the button on your screen. Alan already had made 839. Randy 173. Luke 392. Wally 113. Bloom 1529. It's just called Mar 51 and Canna 51. Look, I think with Alan on the next one, I made, He was at 1,670. I was at 16,000. Watch. 804 on Hertz. 804, starting to move as a signal at 806. It goes through that. It's going to rocket to the moon. Rocket to the moon. Then Roku right here. We're long at 94.25, adding up higher. So the average was under 95. Nice bottom call on Roku. Got 100,000 shares right here of JDST going through $3. 100,000. You can do 10,000 or you can do 1,000. It doesn't matter. Let's say I did a 10,000. I actually did 100 because it was the first one. Second one was 10. 100,000 share trade at $295 for a Heinz 3. Right there. 100,000 at $295. Okay? Look at this. 301, 302, 309, 311. I'm up $9,000. Then it goes 318. I'm up $18,000. Start to sell here. I'm up $20,000. So I sell here, right there. You see it? I sold 80,000 shares at $320 for a $20,000 profit range right there, up 20 grand. Sold half up in that range and half higher. See that? Like an MFH. That means I'm a mother effing hustler. I sold it. Candle started to start moving down. Then it went 301, 302. We're going to rebuy half back. Back in 06, 07 right there. And she moves back up. Okay? So that was a great trade. Hertz is moving now, 806. Teledoc, okay? And then here's the Roku. Look at the people following me in Roku. Up $400. You're up 2 points in Roku. Beautiful. NVAX moving. Let's see here. NVAX, 1374 still. 6,000 shares left at 313 on JDST. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. Mojo, you got the shit down. David made $1,572.81 on JDST trade. Hertz is moving. Hertz is moving. There you go. And then I expect a spike coming up in JDST to take it right here. And that's exactly what happens. Loving the Heinz trade. See, guys, he's brand new. Just learning the Heinz. He Heinz the Roku through 95. He's up $2.25. He Heinz Roku through 95. He's up $3. Allen's taking it through 100 right there. 99.20 on Roku. About to head to 100. Winner, winner, winner. And we got two guys joined today. Pro Trader Shank and Pro Trader EDCO. Welcome to the team. Gotta love that, guys. I didn't have to kick them for the first time. 2 people actually joined for the first time. Amazing. Gotta love it. Love it, love it, love it. So EDCO, thank you for joining. You're very interesting turned out. Start watching the Mojo University courses. You're going to be well pleased about what's going on. No question about it. Did a little matrix this morning. Yes, we did. And then I kicked you all out because you were zombies, but you came back. Gave you the virus, gave you the hydroxychloroquine, and the Plaquenil. You came back from freaking dead. Shank and EDCO came back from the living dead. Bloom made $2,442 for the day by 10/21. Allen's up to 1,670, and I was at 16,670. Me and Allen made the same exact thing. He took a 0 less than me. Pro Trader Ryan. You get my most improved trader award. Pro Trader Ryan came from making $134 a day and 173, and now is consistently making 10 on top of that. Going from the demo and demo trading to me beating his ass, now trading live and making $1,700, $1,500 a day. He's a $30,000 a month young trader that's in his 20s. And he was about to get kicked out of the room last week when I had a fist bump with him, but quickly mended that, and he stayed, and now he's doing the best he can. Mar, great job, dude. 982. Alan didn't go big today, but you don't have to. Rhett 323, great job. Batman 377. This happens every day, guy. Go back in my last couple of videos. So when this ends, the show, you'll see the Mojo show end. Right above me will be 2 videos, my last show. Same exact thing. Same thing. Same thing. Just showing guys his profits. Everyone makes money in the room. Money, 92. Cash, 81. Sewell, Tesla, and Roku paying today. Very nice. Solid, huge companies. Sewell, 188. Luke had a stupendous day. Came from making a couple of $100 earlier, following Mojo on JDST and some other picks, making $1,330, dude.
Wow, that's awesome. Wow.
Sick. Bama, 1,312. We add up all these profits. There's hundreds of thousands of dollars being made in profits off Roku, Tesla, NVAX, and AYTU in the Mojo Day Trade Room. You can always join and get involved with the Swing Trade newsletter in the chat room with the combo pack, guys. You don't got to pay $199 for both. Pay $149 and get them both. Come join this chat room and my Swing Trade newsletter, which I will go over the picks in a complete update this afternoon. The guys that are in there are going to be happy. The guys that aren't in there, you're going to wish you were in that newsletter, getting those picks, putting those trades in your portfolios. Roku's 101. Wally made 327. Great job. Weebs is in rail grind. Ryan's up to 510 on Tesla. Heinz 16 on CCCL. Hertz is at 870 from $8. It hasn't even stopped. So if you bought 1,000 shares of Hertz, which I showed you right there, Hertz at $8, you own it at $7.90. It's at $8.70. You're up 70 cents. So what you buy, 1,000 shares of Hertz? A little position, you're up $700 just on 1,000. On 10,000 shares of Hertz or Royal Caribbean or whatever you wanted to buy, you're up $7,000. That's a decent position. On $500,000 or $250,000 account, you made $7,000. On a $30,000 to $100,000 account, you made $700, dude. It's all relative because the percentages remain exactly the same. Nothing changes. Stock made the same move. Don't be silly now. There you go. Roku went to 101.78 from my pick at 95. We bought it at 94.90, straight up to 101.78. Bet ask somebody. Bet ask. That's how it works. You made it official? Oh my gosh, no way. Pro Trader Terrific. I'm going to freaking pass out of my chair and go, I'm going to pass out. Oh my God, there's no way you did. No way. Should I look? Oh my gosh. I may fall back in my chair. No way I'm going to look. Oh my gosh. Oh, my friend joined. Dude. See, dude, I hooked you up, dude, right? Just received your subscription. Dude, I have to get a subscription from everyone. I don't care who you are. Don't care who you are, what you is. I gave Donald Trump a subscription, and he did it. He's like, dude, your hydroxychloroquine is sick. Is unbelievable. Pelosi's on CNBC? No way. Let me see. Big deal. I don't like Pelosi. I like Trump better. Dude. So we nailed it up there at 9. I'll show you the subscription. Trump and his boys just joined, dude. I got big people in my room, dude. He likes to trade, man. He's been with me for a long time. You know why? Because before he was president, He loved those Ken Slim picks. He knows about it. Not many people know about Ken Slim, guys. Not many people know about Ken Slim. There's my Roku long. Wow, dude. I can't believe he just joined my subscription. I made him pay a subscription and he joined. Famous celebrities, dude. Behind the scenes. Holy camoles. Now he's making, dude, Mojo's moving the markets, bro. Here's my swings. Long positions. We will go over these today. Keurig. Got my Dr. Pepper. 23, starting to make a move. 22 picks, 20 right. 22 picks, guys, in the swing. 20 of them correct. Dow's up 1,400. JDST new high, 325. Gotta better ask somebody. Better ask somebody, boys. Let me fix this. What do we got? 100 on the Roku? 198 on AYTU at Heinz 201. Told you. Told you by the time the show was going to be over, it would Heinz 2. And it just Heinz 2. It went to 201. Just set a new high. Thank you, Mojos. Ha ha. And it's going to go through 2 again. Ha ha. You thought you were going to catch me, and I did it live with my pants down. That was live with my pants down, guys. Heinz $2. Live from $1.91. Anticipation was killing you. $1.99. Here it goes again. $2. Ha ha. Thought you were going to catch me live telling you about the Heinz trade play. That it wasn't going to go through $2. And it did. And it's at 2 again. Ching chang, say bye-bye. Ha-ha, 69 million shares. Yeah, baby. I'm not touching it. 69, I'm not making it move. It's traded 70 million shares, dude. Do the math. 70 million at $2. 140 with 2 more zeros on the end numbers. Dude, I don't even know how much money that freaking is. So much damn money, dude. I ain't moving it. I got 10,000. Yeah, boy. See? Mojo in the room. Thought you were going to get me on that, right? Thought you were going to get me holding that AYTU right at 95, right? Went right through. Nice rail grind on AAL. Beautiful. 1306. It's 1328 money. AYTU crosses 2 momentum. Heinz is going to flow, baby. Batman's on the scene. Patiently waiting, AYTU like a champion. You don't got enough shares when it goes through. You all in. You don't got enough. You got 10, you want 100. You got 100, you want 1,000,000. AAL, average 317. It's 335. 1335, 1338 for the Heinz. Nice job, baby. Heinz and ketchup all over the place. That's what we do. I don't know what you do. That's what we do. What do you do? Love the room. Mike and the traders and the Heinz are the heart of the room. Jack, killer method. Thank you, thank you. Kevin, what's up? Mike, there you go. 42 on AAL now. 42 on AAL now. Beautiful move. Beautiful move on that. $2 now. $2 now on AYTU. Live on the Mojo Show. Showing you what Heinz is as it goes through Heinz with a large signal on the ask of 40,630. Say bye-bye, Mojos. Yeah, that's what I like to see. Even though it already Heinz too, it should do it again. It already did it. It already did it. Let's see what the news is for today. We'll come back to it. Let's see what goes on today. Myself over here. So Wall Street's up 1,557 points on this lovely day of March the 24th, Tuesday of the year 2020. Wow, what space in the world am I living in? Dude, I went outside to the supermarket. Oh my God. Duffy's closed, roadside. So I looked in. No way. The place is a morgue. All the businesses, I feel so damn bad. Whenever a new restaurant got set up and it would like do bad, I'd be like, oh man, I hope you stay in business. I feel bad if you go out of business. And dude, now all the companies are out of business, dude. It's freaking really bad, man. And you can't go out because you can't spread the sickness. You got to wait till it dissipates. It's such a bad thing. I can't believe it. And you know what I would do with the taxes to help the businesses? You know what I would, instead of pumping more money to them and printing more money and increasing the debt, which has to pay back and somehow. You know what I'm saying? I say, mommy, I say, daddy, I say, please, mommy, my mommy, daddy, please. Instead of you giving me $100, I owe you 2,000. Let's just call it even. Don't give me more money. Now I owe you 2,000. You're giving me what, another 500? You give me 500. I owe you 2,500 now. It's kind of like, dude, I don't want you to give me more money. I don't want to pay you back nothing. So, dude, forget my taxes for this year. That'd be nice, right? Whoever thinks that's a good idea, make some comments down and let's see if that's a good idea. Mojo for president, man. Hear that, Trump? You just joined. You just joined. Damn, Trump, let me show you a subscription, bro. They don't believe me. I got you to join. The only subscription of its kind. Only subscription of its kind is involved right now. I got this guy to join. It's unbelievable. Look, he paid. I have his credit card on a celebrity. Look, I just received $5 subscription. $5. He just paid. Dude, that's huge, dude. Now that he paid, I cancel it and I increase it to $5,000. That's what I'm doing. Because he's not getting, I tricked him. He's not getting the picks until he coughs up the cash. Now I got his credit card. Dude, he's done. And it's the gold black Amex. Black, dude. He's going to do a chargeback on me, but we'll see. I'll nail him for 5 G's. See what he does. Nice. Let's see what he's got to say. If he's on this page. Wall Street roars as investors bet on the coronavirus rescue bill. It's funny. Rescue my ass. Nobody's getting rescued, dude. These businesses are hurting. Hurting. Everyone's at home freaking out, dude. They want to go to work. They can't. They're stuck in their house. My mom's is in this assisted living home, dude. They're quarantined in there, dude. Can't leave your room. Nope. You know what happens? The workers from outside come in and infect all the people in there. Crazy, dude. It's not the people getting sick. It's the workers bringing it in from the outside. Damn, Mosh. Damn. That'd be crazy. So, stock market news. Gift. A gift. 1,567 points. picked it through Dow 20,000, up 159 points. Through Dow, up 92 points on S&P 500. Picked 2290 for the Heinz 2300. Picked at 19,999 for the Heinz 20,000. Beautiful on the two. Nice work. Coronavirus and military, former NATO commander. Details. Okay, he's got a whole bunch of toilet paper, man. He's fucking ready to hit the can. Stay in that can for a long time, dude. Yep. Poop in there for a long, stay in that pooper. Have a lot of magazines. Little internet connection in the pooper ain't bad either. Ooh, internet connections in the pooper. Nice. Tom Colicchio, restaurant should stay closed. Yeah. Dude, you know what I went into? Publix. And had to pay with the register. I had that pad there where you stick your card in. Holy crap. I'm looking at it and I see these little bubbles with these little things sticking up, and it looks like the coronavirus. And I'm like, oh my gosh. You want me to put my finger on that? Hold on a minute. I said, where's the freaking Q-tip aisle? He goes right over there. I said, hold on a second. I'm buying this for the store. Here you go. Ripped that baby open, stuck it by the register, ripped out a damn Q-tip, pressed that button with that damn Q-tip. Transaction done. I said, where's that garbage can? I said, right there. I said, throw that damn Q-tip in that garbage. I said, there. Next person that comes up, keep these things separate so no one touches them. Q-tips. So guys, if you see Q-tips in your Publix now, Mosh. Okay? That's a news article. But it's not up there, so I figured out how to tell you. Millionaire beach bum is crushing Wall Street. Dude, that's like Tim Sykes. Is that Tim? Millionaire math whiz picks, next big AI stock. Ooh, what do these guys know that I don't, dude? Biotech stocks have held up. Dude, that's not correct. This is MOJO stocks, dude. Have held up better and done extremely well in the broader market. Why can't they get these news stories right, dude? Why? Let me prove it. MOJO Swing Trade Newsletter Review, right? Let's do it. Dow's up 1,443. We're going to have to blow this page up so you can really see that I'm not talking shizzle dizzle. And go 140. You could see that, right? Here's where we started out today with the market at 20,440 and the S&P 500 up 141 to 2436, followed by the NASDAQ at 7237. See how everything's changing? It's a live document. It's live. Live documento. Tells you exactly where everything is. Blinking, chinking all over the place. I got the people watching up here, hundreds of people. Hundreds and hundreds of people. And my new guy, who I'm going to charge you $5,000 because I told you about the e-learning companies and you didn't believe me. Look what happened. So let's go beyond the swing picks right here, and we go down to Kronos. Kronos is the first one right here, and Kron today is actually even. Look, we're up 10 cents. Can you freaking believe it? Oh my gosh. It's been as high as 550 today, guys. Kron. That's the update on the weed stock that we have. The other weed stock we have is Canopy right here, CGC, which at 1380 is only down $1. It actually been as high as 1398 today. Down 6%, and we have the covered call, the 15 that will expire worthless. And we're just, these things are worth nothing now, but I'm just going to let them, I don't want to buy them back, and I'm going to wait until Friday and then do everything in one shot. Let's see what we got. Zynga, down 1%. Been up and down. Federal Signal at 28 is 24. Rebounded a little bit today. It's been as high as 26.68. And we have the $35 covered call for $1, which will expire worthless. The ABM Industries, we have at 27. We're down 7 points, but we brought in $2, which will expire worthless. Then we have American Airlines at 14.50. Has been as high as 14.81 today. Is 13.4, down 7%. But we sold a put for 17%, which will expire worthless. And we also sold, maybe, covered call at 18 that we keep that 8%. So we have $3.70 in American Airlines minus 14.50. Puts us at an $11 cost basis. Ready to love American Airlines, guys. Clorox, we have at 165 is 167 with the 195 call for $2 is worthless. Made money on that. Serve at 28 is 25. We have the $30 covered call for $1. Tilray at the 550 is 396. We were only down 15% earlier. Now we're down 28%, but we have a $9 covered call. And then Box from 950 is 12, and we're doing well on that one. So this is the conservative covered call income strategy portfolio that we've been incorporating for quite some time. I told you, look, NXTD, the fingerprint technology company, is starting to move. It's 34, high of 35. This one has a very low float. 3.9 newsletter. Let's check it out. The 3.9 newsletter. You can look at it on the MOJO Day Trading website. You come up here to swing trading in the top tab, right above my head. Click it. Come down right here to the newsletter. This is every newsletter pick from July through March. So if that March one is in there, it should be one of the first ones right here in the beginning. On 3.8. How am I doing? His picks aren't doing too good. Look at his jacket. He's got that logo. That's Ross. So Job Group went from 35 and went higher. IFMK went from 67 cents, was the biggest winner last week with Apron. IFMK, 3.8 newsletter pick. Mojo, food delivery when the world is quarantined. Do I need to say more? Do I need to say more? 67 cents. 67. See where that thing went, right? IFMK. IFMK. Went from 67 cents. Right now it's $1.16. But it did go yesterday and the day before to a high of 283. 283 high. 283. That's pretty damn smoky, man. 283. So that went from 67 cents. It doubled to 180. Doubled again. Kept on doubling. Very nice winner. The one after that is at ABM. Now, the reason why I picked this, I may be a week or two ahead, is it provides janitorial, parking, security, engineering, and services for the commercial, industrial, and retail facilities. Makes sense. FSS, security company. They manufacture street cleaning and water blasting equipment for public warning and fire rescue and so forth. Increase growth beautifully. So I may be a little early. DSS at 19 cents. DSS. Both of the previous picks didn't work. Look what DSS did. DSS went from 19 cents and it went all the way up to 52 cents. 52 cents. 52. Go look at the chart. It's right behind my head. 52 cents from 19. So it went from 20 cents to 40 cents as 100%, and then a little bit more. From 3.8 newsletter, it's now 3.24. Here's NXTD. Hasn't moved yet. It may go. DSS develops counterfeit document prevention systems for security printers, corporations worldwide to protect document security and things going on between people. And with the current market conditions and increased estimates this year and a new CEO, DSS looks good. NXTD develops a secure mobile electronic smart wallet designed to protect users' identity, replacing physical cards. So you're not going to have a physical identification card that someone's going to grab from you and catch the corona. It's a digital smart wallet that contains all your information. You hold it up, it scans, it shows that you don't touch nothing. It's the way you need to be paying at the register. Oh, you want my money? Here. Here's a chip implanted in my hand with Bitcoin. You just took it out of my hand. Thank you. Where do I go put that in instead of a corona shot? Implant me with some Bitcoin pills so I can store some Bitcoin in my blood. Arlo did good. BYKI was the big winner also. It went from 52 cents to $3 per share on the 3.8 newsletter. BYKI. It went from, there it's coming up, to $3. BYKI. Went from 52 cents to $3. Maggles as well. And those were all the picks in the 3.8. I have the 2.7 newsletter. Did good on those. ZSAN, DGLY, NAVB, Hexo, PSTI, Glue, Kaiser, ISO. This one, iBio, went from 36 cents to $7. iBio on 2.7. Look at this pick. iBio. iBio right down here. Let me move my ugly head. Went right here from where we owned it, and it went all the way up here, and it went all the way up to $3.40. It went a lot higher than that. It went to $7. I have it in the room. Hold on a second. Ooh, nice. People are making money. President and his people. They're trying. Nice. So I got that going on. Covered the daily news. Let me look at the swing and go through the rest of that action. So this is the newsletter that made all those picks happen for sure. And then you got NXTD doing well. My Little Pony doing good. Quest Resources was a little higher today, above 130, but it's at 130 by 24 now. PESI is Permafix Environmental Services. They're going to fix your environment, dude. It's been to 513 today from 450. Half was sold at 505. Half was sold at 505 on Pesci. Half. Half closed, Pesci 505. 12.22% gain in 8 days. 65 trades, 58 correct, 89% win rate, 53.84% average on a 10-day hold. Beautiful. TAL right here at 47, high of 53. TAL Education Group, TAL, half being sold today. I told you these would be the good ones, guys, for this week. These are e-learning education companies that I picked in Sunday's newsletter. TAL, right here, half sold, high 53, sold 50.05. Everything is sold right over the even number. Watch. Sold from 95 You can see the sale prices, and all the buys are the same. Heinz for $1, Heinz for $7, Heinz for $15. So sold at $2.05, sold at $13.05, sold at $22.05. UVXY went to $135 a share. In 7 days, I had made 50% on it. Okay? That's how powerful the Mojo picks are. So here we go. GHSI here's a small one. Glow didn't work. KMPH sold just over 50 cents from 36. INO from 540 sold 905. BCRX, that one didn't, but this one 105, 405, 105, 5005, 305, 105, 205, 2005. Sold 205, 505, 305, 335, 5305, 1405, 805, 205, 405. And then you got 505, 5005, 405. Everything's done at the 5. It's the easiest number that I found. Yeah, you give up some after, but it's the easiest number that I have found to sell. You set a target, it puts it right at 05 and it's gone. You look up the high, it's $3 higher, you sold it, you made money. It's really easy to do. EDU from 104 is 118. EDU, New Oriental Education Group, EDU, is selling half too. So I'm going to insert this one below. EDU, half sold today on the 24th. It was picked in the newsletter at 104. It's at 118.05. 118.05. Made 13.5% on that. If you want to see the newsletter, it was sent out Sunday night, this past Sunday, before any of this happened. I figured last week before that, what I had done was I sent out all the stocks for the drugs on the 8th, and then waited this week, all the ones for the e-learning. Where's in my email, this is what the newsletter looks like. Trump got it. It was right here. A Sunday newsletter. Good evening. The market's corrected as our core holding UVXY went from 1475 to 135. Its partner in crime TVIX moved from 38 to an astonishing $1,000 per share. Pro Trader, Beach Miner, and Nantucket and others made six-figure profits in days by holding the Mojo Swing Pick holding. See the images below of the withdrawals of profits just from the TVIX and the Codex trade plays. Beach Miner, I closed all positions at $16,305. Did a quick INO trade for $542, and David closed out all his positions for $5,351. And then here's the newsletter right here. So you got this on Sunday. The comic was woohoo, free newsletter. Get what you paid for. So here's AMRX, went from 350 to over 4. TAL right here is, excuse me. I shrink down in my chair, man. I got to sludge down. Let me sit up a little bit. So check out these amazing picks, man. Wish you were in these guys. You can subscribe above, guys. I got the coronavirus special, man. Combo pack. You would have gotten this newsletter on 3/22. It provides K-12 after-school tutoring to 3.9 million students via 676 learning centers in 56 cities across the United States. Did Did your new guru newsletter guy pick that stock and tell you to buy that? At $49.73 and lower? Did he? No. Nobody did. Everyone's scared of the market. I've never made more picks last week, this week, and the week before than I ever have in the last 8 years of the newsletter. Alan and the rest of the guys can attest to that in the room. No problem. I've been having a field day. If I was a huge money manager on Wall Street, they'd have me on TV right now, and you'd be seeing this live on CNBC. They're asking me about what I'm getting into next, why I picked this, why I did the ones last week. So the one right here after that is EDU. They're the Chinese provider of language and training and test prep to 44.8 million students in 95 schools and 159 centers in China. Stock went from 112 to 130. BFAM went from 80 to 100. They provide workplace child care, early education, and work-life e-consulting to over 1,100 clients worldwide. Easy, Heinz 100 right there. I said right there in the newsletter, look, Heinz 100. It's at 81, went to 100. This one right here, Target 120, went 130. This one, Target 59, went to 59. Lope offers post-secondary education for 97,000 students via its Arizona campus at 61. Target 7648. Chegg, CHGG. They provide digital products and services to print test books and e-test books to students via its online platform. Target 50 from 32. STRA, Strategic Education, provides post-secondary education to 52,000 students in 17 states and Washington, D.C. at 123. Target 150. GSX, China-based operator of online education. GSX at 40, target 50. 1. Chinese company providing K-12 after-school education at 5, target 6. LRN, K-12 Inc. provides online curriculum to 115,000 K-12 students of virtual schools in 50 states at 1584, target 2106. BEDU, Bright Scholar Education, Chinese provider of K-12 and bilingual education training programs and technology graduate education systems at 585, target 851. CCU, a Chilean manufacturer of beer and soft drinks. What are you going to do? You're going to drink alcohol and beer while you're quarantined at $12. That one's working too. KDP, what are you going to do like I do? Drink a lot of damn coffee. This is Keurig. They bought Keurig, makes 125 brands of carbonated soft drinks, teas, coffee, and beverages in North America. They bought Keurig, Dr. Pepper, at $23.55. Those are the picks that went out right here. EDU from 104 to 118, TAL 47 to 50, going higher is 52 now. PESI at 450, 505. CLDR Cloudera at 650, 750. Strategic Education from 113 to 131 is now 125. And AMRX from 380 to 405 is a little lower. BFAM from 79 to 89 is the same. And ELA from 265 to 95 is lower. Let's see what else we got. Lope, Grand Canyon Education at $60. Been as high as 67 today. LOPE, selling half. Dude, tomorrow it could be down 30%. You got to sell half when they're up. Grand Canyon Education, 67.64 high at 67.41, sold at 67.05. See, guys, when you look at this, you're like, look, 67. It's higher than that now. It's higher than that now. So Mojo under delivers, dude. Under promises with this action. 59 wins, dude. Grand Canyon Education, Lope. I usually don't buy $60 stocks, but I had to get you in on a winner. $38 right here to $40.05. I'll hold this one right here. 485 hasn't moved yet. Here's K12 LRN from 16. Half was sold, went to 17.95. K12 from 16 to 17.95. Sold 17.55. Beautiful run, 9.69% on that one. LRN, the next one is BEDU, Bright Scholar at 560, sold at 605, been to 626. Bright Scholar, half sold. That's 605, 8.04% in one day. Take that. That's BEDU. Then you have this beer company, CCU, 12.25, sold half of that one. It went as high as 12.96. $12.25. 12.95, 5.71%. This is Cervaceous. I want to get rid of this so I can flatten out the line. It's Cervaceous. Whatever its name was, Inc. All right. Unidius. Cervaceous Unidas. It's close enough. The next one on the newsletter pick was Keurig Dr. Pepper at 23. Went to 24.77. So what you do is you raise the trail stop on the other half. And you don't let it go higher. 24.55, made 5.59. These are good returns, guys. Sometimes it takes people a year to make 5, 6, 7, 8, 9%. Even months on a large cap, big, huge stock and with big dollars. Eastside Drilling from 108 is 111, hasn't moved yet. CBDMD, YCBD hasn't moved yet. It's 79 high, 75 to 76. Marchex, which is a digital marketing company, at 145 has been to 158 at 152, not really up much. This is StarTech at 411, been to 457, sold at 455 right here. SRT automatically got taken, half sold. When it goes to 55 or 05, it automatically gets sold. Because when the positions get bought, you put it in. So if you bought it at 411, you'd put one in at 455 and 505. If you bought it at 23.25, you put it in 24.05 and 24.55 and 25.05. And then 25.55 and 26.05. Same way you would buy it in pieces if it came out, sell it in pieces as it comes up. That's a 10.1% gain right there on that one. Then Staffing Solutions, even on. Verb, even on, pretty much, down a little bit. Cloudera, 751, sold half already. And UWT's even. And the gold miner, I got at 275. I'm down at 252. So that's the ultimate ultimate update from 40 to 61 is 21 trades. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wrong. I'll take it. 16 right, 76%. Average gain, 4.14%. Here, there's 36 and 14 is 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wrong is 15. Average gain is correct, 1.1. I'm doing just wonderful. I'm doing just wonderful. How you guys doing out there? Good afternoon, Mr. Dennisone. How you doing out there? I got some crypto. Bought some Bitcoin at 64.62. It's 66.50 now. For the 6,500. Bought XLM, XRP, and Ethereum. Here's my cryptos. You guys want to check that out? I got bottom one is Bitcoin. Last is 66.50. I got it at 64.62 for the Heinz. Got it for the Heinz. Got it for the Heinz. And got it for the mini Heinz 150 up here. This one's up. This one's Heinz. And this one Heinz. See? 04.16. Right at 94. Right under 6,500. See that? That's how Mojo rocks, guys. Heinz and on the crypto. Heinz and on everything. Too late for Bitcoin? No, not too late to start getting involved on the Bitcoin. Absolutely on the Bitcoin. Absolutely, yeah, absolutely. What do we got now? Oh, we got a little Amarin, a little Beyond's up nice. The meat did $10 today. Meat did 10 beans today, boys. I can't look at these demos. Meat did 10 beans. Check out the chart right here. So there's the, let me show you what went on today, man. Apple's freaking up $19, dude. Look at this rail grind on Apple. It did a cross right there for a buy. So you did a scale in 1, 2, and you bought your big one on 3 on the first bar. You rode this baby up on a chairlift. Look at this. Look at the separation in the bars. How beautiful the rise is on the volume. Such big separation in the bars. It's getting tight right here, maybe for a sell. And then right here, it's crossing. So you're out right there. Look at the run you had. Chairlift up. So is this risk right here? You scale in on the bottom of the STO right here. Okay, the risk is this. That area. See it? How little it is? Look at the circle. That's your risk. This is your reward. Look at the circle difference between how small that one is and how big that one is. As you ride this up into rail grind, it's a 96 STO. You're still in it. Still got, even though it's coming, still got a little bit. It's not all out, but you have 7/8 of it pretty much done. It's crossing right here into a Cupid top. I'd say you're pretty much done with that trade. Great job. Here's Beyond. Beyond did it right here. So you would ride in Beyond right here off a trade. 1, 2, 3 entry. Ride that sucker up. It went actually beautifully into rail grind. Look at the separation right here. Beautiful. You're riding in rail grind, riding. Right here it crosses, you're out. See that? And look at the steepness. Now look at the separation on, thank gosh you got out. And you got out right there, pretty much on that top wick. Then it rode down. And then right here, as it starts to curl back up, you're coming in right here again. 1, 2, and on the green, 3. And then you're riding it up again on this chairlift. And right here it ends. So it rode up from here to here, which is a move of $7. That's 7 points. Then it came down again. And then when it crossed again right here, you went again and moved. Well, your third one is right here. and it rode it beautifully up again, and it crossed right there, and you were out right there on that red bar. That's another 8-point run. So it's 8 points there, 7 points there, and this one was from 65 to 69. This is 6 points. So altogether, you had 21 points in the stock today by avoiding these downs right there and riding up those ups right there. Beautiful. What else we got? Let's see the ones we did today. NVAX. NVAX we rode up on the open right here. NVAX. What time is that? That's 10:45. Oh, it's a little earlier. Minute bars, market hours, all hours. Market hours. See, pre-market, it went up high. Time is it? 1 o'clock. Hold on a second. There we go. Yeah, Mojo. Okay, here's the opening bar. Well, let me make sure I get the right date in there now. 324. I don't need it spread out. I just had it blown up. So right here, the 5-minute bars. It started at 9 o'clock right here this morning. $15. 15. It's fallen $2.50. Probably a good buy right here, guys. NVAX. 1251 mini, 1249 mini Heinz. Right here, NVAX long. Low risk, high reward. It makes a move at 49. I like it right there. It's a good play. Live trade. I like Roku too. NBEV did real good today. NBEV's continuing to do good today. JDST may make a little move here. Boeing's a joke. Boeing, they let it trade today. 34 million shares and it did nothing. 5-point range up and down. They really held it. What a joke. Real manipulation right here. This is the opening run. Triangle down. Triangle back up. Triangle down. Triangle back up. Triangle down. Triangle back up. Triangle down. Then they had this one right here. And now it's starting to make it up here. So they hit the bottom down here. And it's a total joke, man. Market makers and high frequency firms are robbing people and crushing them left and right. Unless you got the mojo and you know how to roll on that wave right there like that through Heinz, you're losing money. Yeah, you're losing money. Yeah, it's a good batting average, man. It's a good batting average. Add NVAX at 55 plus. INO Heinz 7. Like INO right here. For a Heinz 7, beautiful move. Look at this potential right here. We got a lot of low risk, like basically no risk. We got this beautiful little box that's in right here. Can really make a nice move up. So your risk is small. Little circle here versus big circle here. That's power move right there on INO. That's INO. Gotta like that one right there. Big time on that. And then the NVAX looks exactly the same. And these things have traded majillions. You got the same exact little thing right here. You got a little circle here and a huge circle opportunity up here on NVAX. Those are two good ones right there, man. I'll you guys up with that. That action makes run right here at the end of the day. That's good potential right there. INO and NVAX, end of the day potential. I let my guys know about that. INO, NVAX have the best end of day. Risk low. Reward high trade. All I see now. That's all I see, really. Don't really see much. Don't really. NBEV 17 went up a little higher. 18, that's 23 now. Weeds doing good. Crone, CGC, Tilray. Tilray may make a little move here too. Tesla 501. All right, looking good, looking good. Let me show you what some of my boys had to say in the room today. I got some people. I got some interesting guys in the room, man. I swear. Dude, I swear. When traders, listen, man. I swear, dude. It's not over when you lose. It's over when you quit. If anything, lose the zero that you're with or the method and strategy you think you got going on and use the Heinz system with the hero like you should be and you know you should be. What do we got here? Demo's doing all good. Look, Demo's all following me on JDST earlier. See that? Look, everyone across the board making money, dude. That's all you got to see, dudes. Luke, NLCH up 40%, AAL up 30%, RCL up 29%. Literally everything Mike predicted this morning is up 100%. I can't feel my face when I'm with Mike, and I love it. Second day trading up 14.20. Oh, dude, that's so sweet. Thanks, dude. Thank you, man. Look at that, Luke. Thanks, dude. Look, he's a happy boy. I'm glad I've been able to help. I'll save that for my file if you don't mind. Luke. Thanks, dude. I appreciate that, man. Dude. Hands are sweating. I ain't even in a lot of stocks. I'm just like an NVAX and INO. I even got a lot of stocks, dude. Jeez. Woo. Thank you, Luke. Appreciate it, man. Absolutely. That was nice, dude. Oh, yeah. And we were done for the day right there. See that, guys, with the Clipper action. JDST, Dow's up 1,400. Oh, Hopper, how you doing, man? Hi, Hops. Hi. He's been with me for a long time, dude. Nice. Hopper. Yeah, 22 picks, 21 right, baby. Absolutely. All right, guys, let's see what we got. A little AYTU making another little trekkie up here towards two Heinz, and boys, here it's going to go again. You don't think I forgot about that, right? Come on, now you're like, dude, he's stocking Heinz. Yeah, I'm going to get him. I'm going to tell him live on the show. Dude, your second one of AYTU didn't, huh? Oh, I got you. Dude, it's 327, man. It's traded 69 million before. Now it's traded 73 million, 4 million shares just in the last 20 minutes that we've been trading. You don't think I see all that? Come on now, boys. I see it. Look, I see it. I see it. I see it. Dude, you want to see what I do 10 times a day? What I do. I go like this. That's what I do. I must have do this. I do this right here. How many times a day? 100? 100 times a day? I do it all day long, dude. All day. This is what I do. See what I do? I kiss. I'm going to bend down a little bit more. Look, that's what I do. So I start kissing my arm. I'm going to get a tattoo right here of a pair of lips. Because when my lips go right there after a shot, that shit's golden, baby. Watch my head. It don't move. Ready? Watch I hit a driver. I hit a driver. Hit a driver. Notice my angle of my shoulders here because the shaft is back. Okay? So I'm going to launch it. Notice. Okay? Look at my tilt of my shoulders, the angle. Beautiful shot. That right there was 295 carry. Now I got a pitching wedge into the green. You ready? Here's the pitching wedge. Now watch how my shoulders level out. I got it in the back of my stance. See? Pitching wedge, much different, right? See how my shoulders are completely, see I'm covering the ball completely? So I don't hit the desk. See that, baby? That's the shot. I do that all day long. So when I go on the course, I'm in my office. Pitching wedge, Mojo. Beautiful. Great shot. Driver, Mojo. Great shot. Both of those were good shots. And that's how I swing, smooth like that. No club. So when I put the club in my hand, I do the exact same thing. Let me show you. So like if I was going to kick your ass and I knew, okay, the majority of people are going to go like this and punch, boom, and you're going to break your knuckle right there. It's called a boxer's fracture. So the first time you fight, you're like, oh my gosh, dude, I just broke my freaking hand. Oh, I hit him so hard. Okay? That never happened to you. It does. Okay? For the people that know. 198 on AYTU. I see it, dude. Get to that screen. So right there, dude, the next time, and it happens like, you know when you go to the carnival and they have that, you push the button and the thing comes down and you hit it and it woo, spins around. I used to work at the carnivals. A high diver. So me, little guy, we used to walk around, and when the big, huge guy, lumberjack with his girlfriend, I used to get up there and I used to send it around harder than him because I know how to punch it. And when you punch like that and that, and you follow through at the front of your, dude, you demolish whatever's in front of you. Okay? So I can practice. When I put the gloves on and I get into the ring, I'm going to do the same thing, dude. And I'm going to be a machine, dude. Hitting that bag like that. Dude, that's the same thing with the golf and the trading. I'm all pre-ready. I'm practicing my numbers. I got $30,000, 1,000 shares of $30 stock, 500 shares of 15, $5 stock, 2,000 shares, $100 stock, 300 shares. I got all the numbers. I'm pre-programmed to trade, play golf, take money in every aspect, bro. Well prepared, well prepared. INO Heinz 7, it's only 703. Only 703. I'm in NVAX from the 50s. It's only 1264. I'm up pretty nice on both of these now. Up pretty nice on that. Up pretty nice now. NVAX. INO. Both Heinz. On target. At the end of the day, schmosh. Trading all day. Morning session. Take lunch. Come back. Afternoon session. Make money like this all day long, just writing down good trades. $10,000, $500, $200, $5, lost $20. Nice. Nice. What do we got going on? Pro Trader Shank is Mr. Worldwide, AK Pitbull. Any day above ground's a great day. What? Let's see what he says here. Absolutely what? My mentality is on OPK. Oh, get rid of that shit. Piece of crap ass poop bull crap. Take Mojo University. Your mentality be right off that. I don't want to hear it again. That's crap ass old school, weak, thinking you're strong. Get out of town. Be losing all day long. Mentality of a loser. That's what he says. That's my mentality. I'm a loser. I'm quitting. You better quit on that OPK. Better quit on that. Absolutely. Thank you. Loving the room. Positive. Yeah, positive this, positive that, baby. Yeah, screw OPK. Piece of crap ass stock. NVAX, baby. 65 now, going into 70. Look at my NVAX. 73 STO now on the rail grind. Look, coming up in the rail on the chairlift. On the chairlift, see how it crossed? We're in. Look, we're in, boys. We're in. We're riding. Look, separation. Look at the separation right here. See the separation? We're in, baby. We're riding. Take me to 70. Make me go to the right on the rail grind. 97.5 on the STO. 97, guys. As long as it stays above 80, you let it ride. That shit can go for a long time. That thing can go for a long time. That's how you maximize your trade. You don't get out after 2 cents, Mr. Beginner Trader. Trading MU, 1,000 shares for 3 cents ain't going to make you a good trader. You know why? Because you hold a 20-cent loser and you sell a 5-cent winner. Ain't going to happen. You're right 6 times in a row. You're wrong once. You just lost everything you made 6 times in a row. It's not a good strategy. Not a good strategy. Not a good strategy. You should be in NVAX at 1281 right now. 1281 on NVAX, guys. See it? 1280. Told you. I better look up, and a lot of guys better be in it in the demos. What do you guys got? NVAX. NVAX. Ooh, bunch of NVAX in the demos. NVAX up $105. NVAX up JDST. You're down here, 256. Sell that sucker. Get out of it. You're not going to hold it overnight. Sell that sucker. Trade out of it, dude. You only got freaking 20 minutes left. AYTU, you ain't doing nothing with that. Loosen up the change. Don't buy that little piece of crap. Trade some Tesla, dude. Cancel pending orders. Close position. Get out of that. INO, you only have 300. You better have 1,000, and it's not moving. Get the hell out of it and trade something that is, dude. There you go. NVAX is a Roku's a mover. Now you're talking. You bought high, 1,000 NVAX, 76. These guys are in at 50. Should close you out just because you did a bad print. 51. Come on now. Nothing else is going on. Great volume on NVAX was a beauty all day long, guys. Triple M's doing really nice too. I'm surprised. I was going to do that on the first wave, but it went up too much, and then I'm like, but MMM did really nice too. Ones we got to add to the list on here that we're always going to trade: Clorox, CBP, Campbell Soup, staples in our garden now, guys. Staples in our garden. Staples in the garden. Let me save my action right here. Layout, save. I don't want to lose that layout. Good layouts. I hook my traders up with that layout when they get the trade X. Nice. 85, guys. 85 now. 1385, 1387. We're moving. JB had to do a sit start. Let's see what you got going on.
We live in
JB, baby, my man. What you got, kid?
I'm going to teach you how to get up wakeboarding at the cable park.
Nice.
Alright, first things first, before we even get started, just want to give you a little bit of advice. Try to avoid putting your bindings on while you're facing the lake, because I don't know what the reason is, but all the time I watch people try and get on the dock, and they'll just get down in an uncomfortable position, trying to get ready to start. And I really feel like that's not such an easy way. So instead, if you put your boots on facing away from the dock, you can just easily sit down on the bench and then turn around. Now that we're past all that, I do find the easiest way to get up is the sit start for the first time. Some people believe that it is like a standing sliding start. I don't necessarily agree with that, but everyone can have their own opinions. So today I'm just going to be teaching you how to do the sitting dock start. First things first, when starting, you're going to really want to have the handle really close and strong against your lead hip. If you're regular, you'll have the handle on your left hip. If you're goofy, your lead hip will be your right, so you'll want to have the handle strong to that hip. The reason for having the handle close to your hip/waist area is because that's sort of like your center of gravity, and it will sort of pull your body evenly onto the water, rather than if you had it up kind of high, it might yank you onto your face. You are going to want to sort of sit further back on the bench, because if you are up fully on the edge, you may jump off a little bit early, and then your board will tend to sink and you'll get yanked onto your face. You are going to want to have your knees bent when starting, and really try and avoid pushing your legs straight. Most people's brains sort of force them to push their legs straight, but really just try and keep your knees bent the whole time. Sort of have them like flex. You don't want them to be like noodle knees, otherwise you'll kind of get pulled out the side. But yeah, just have like nice, strong, bent knees. Another thing that's very important when doing the sit start is making sure that your toe side edge is actually out of the water. Really just try and point your toe side edge towards the sky, because if your toe side edge is underwater and the cable does pull you forward, you will once again get yanked on your face. Now your body position is ready and you have the handle close to your hip, you're sitting down pretty far back on the bench, knees are bent and strong, and your toes are up, pointed towards the sky, you're ready to actually start. You're going to sit and watch that carrier come around and grab your rope. Most cable parks have a green light that will tell you when your rope is ready to be grabbed, otherwise the operator will just tell you. But once you're watching that rope come around, and as soon as it clicks, you are going to want to have that handle nice and close to your front hip. At this point, you're going to use your arms as sort of shock absorbers, so you're really going to have it close and tight, and then slowly just absorb as the cable is pulling you off the dock. You're going to actually want the cable to pull you off the dock. You're not going to want to jump in early or anything like that. Just have those knees bent, toes up, handle to your hip, and stay sort of tense. passes for a lot of things. So yeah, doing backside 360s on the water and frontside 360s on the water could really help in the future for doing those 360s off of kickers or off of rails or anything like that. It'll just really help learn handle passes. So yeah, should be pretty cool. So the main goal when doing a frontside 360 or backside 360 on the surface, really try and keep
enough.
edge up super high and actually.
Always like watching JB. Hi there. This software is the TradeX platform. You go join above as a Mojo subscriber, join my day trade and swing trade for $149. I'll get to meet you. We'll come in right there. You'll trade on this platform with me. If you're under $25,000 and you are not around the PDT rule, you'll use this platform right here. The firm supplies, after taking my course, which everybody does, 10-to-1 leverage and buying power to trade intraday. You keep 100% of the profits. It's all working really nice. American Airlines is ripping $14 Heinz. I have that over here 3 times. Traded it. JDST, where is that? Oh, that fell a little bit, 235. UWT, 23. Teva, 809. Got some Teva still. Close some Teva. Excuse me. 814, 15. United Foods, E-Tech, and Clorox. Can I still use my own trading platform? Sure. Yeah, why not? Go ahead. Oh, you used to be a subscriber. I remember you. I remember you. Anthony Y. There is no 497 coaching. You just get my course for free. With a membership. And I have a 30% off, so here you go. 30% off Corona. And get my course for free. Yeah, Zithromaxa hydroxychloroquine. Everyone's confirming yes on Twitter. Thank you. Yes. Beautiful. All right, guys, that's how we make the day. Where's iMac going? I don't know. I thought it's not available on an iMac, Shank. It's only available on Windows. Not the Mac. Sorry, dude. Not available on Mac. That's Ross Warrior's room. I know it's stock. That's Ross's room, dude. Not my room. Look back in the chat throughout the entire day. I didn't mention iMac once. Never will. So for you to say, where is it going? I have no freaking clue, and I don't care. How about that? 3:47, 13 minutes to the end of time when the market closes. 810 on Teva. AYTU right at my $2. I'm looking for the 2 crester again. Boeing's doing great at 125 Heinz. Boeing's going up at the end of the day here into the close. At 125 Heinz, it's 124.90. Yeah, it already did. There it goes. 125.05.17. Told you it was going to Heinz. Campbell's Soup, $43 Heinz. Back up here. You can risk a little bit going higher. That's Smiles Direct. We don't want that one. I'm not going to trade Triple M. I'm going to take it off my screen. I want RAD to come down. I liked RAD at 12 and stuff. CGC right at Heinz 13 is so lovely right here. Easy going to Heinz. Not enough time left in the end in the day though for a stock like that. Not really enough time left in the day for anything. Tomorrow's another day. That's what I got to say. So with that said, everybody, peace. Keep it profitable. I'll see you in the morning for a MOJO Day Trading pre-market show, and I will enlighten you with whatever is going to be the hottest stock of the day tomorrow. You should be enlightened on the MOJO show. I think I did it this morning on the MOJO watch list. I have no idea what I put up there, even if I updated it today. I have no idea. Did I even update it today? 323. No, I didn't even update it today. These are the ones from yesterday. AYTUMR Teva. Okay, listen, guys, that's awesome. So I didn't even update that, which I should have, but I will tomorrow. So in the meantime, subscribe to my videos. You'll have 2 more popping over my head as soon as I end. One there. Subscribe above my head. Follow me on Twitter. And listen, thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a great night, and I'll see you on the next show, guys. Later.